Hello, everyone, and welcome to session number 3 of business training. My name is John Spitaliere, and I have over 15 years of experience. With every experience in the industry, I've always achieved the rank of diamond and higher. My true success is my ability to serve. And what do I mean by that? Well, in the beginning of my career, it was about success loves speed, working with the passion to go from one rank to the next rank as fast as possible. I learned in the start of my career to be blessed others, and you will be blessed. The best example I can give you is go out there and bless two by explaining to two people, not just getting into the business, but simply following your lead and the lead of your upline, and it could possibly change your life. So we're first going to get started by indicating that there are more millionaires involved in networking than any other company or corporations or any businesses out there. So the first thing you want to do on the mechanics of your business venture is pick a company within 72 hours after your graduation. Then what you want to do is you want to bring in two partners as members or business partners by just sharing the business opportunity. Then they will duplicate it, what you have done. And that's how simple it is, simply by sharing the opportunity with two that go and share it with two that share it with two, and so on. So as I was growing up, my parents wanted me to be a lawyer, and I had really no interest in becoming a lawyer. For my parents, it was a disappointment. If I became a lawyer, I would have been able to motivate you, but probably you would have wound up in jail. So what I wound up doing is getting involved in network sales. And the reason I did that, because it was so easy to convince people just by sharing the product, which was always a good product in networking. I've never seen a bad product in networking. And then sharing it, and then let them decide whether they just want to be a customer or they want to get in the business opportunity. They say the law of opportunity says that everyone at some point of their lifetime will have an opportunity to get ahead in life. And is this your opportunity time? It could be, but what makes the difference of success or failure is actually passion. The three most important characters for the foundation of your business is, first, to believe in yourself and your business model. To believe in yourself that you can climb that mountain to success, and that the no's will not stop you. Not your friends, family, or coworkers. When they say that you won't work or that it is one of those, that is when you reach deep inside and say, I will not fail. So another character is the foundation of your business. You must also have passion for your business and your short-term and long-term goals. Some people have 1 and 2, but they do not apply action. It would be like starting a mortar and brick business, stocking the shelves, putting the grand opening sign up, and then grand opening day, you don't unlock the door or turn on the lights. So you have to have action, staying in that creative mode. So, and we discussed that in session number 2, actually. So write this down. One of your goals is to stay aggressive in your business. And you wake up every day and plan to talk to someone about your venture. So plan every morning to speak to at least 2 people. Also, what you want to do is you want to go to social media for a half an hour per day. And social media is kind of like a tease. And what I mean by that is this. You don't want to tell the whole story, and you don't want to give your website and all that out there on Facebook, for example. What you want to do is you just put in, hey, I found a company, I'm using this product, and this product's pretty good. I have less pain, or whatever it might be. I've just saved money on travel. So you just want to put that in. And then what happens is when someone IMs you back, hey, what is it? Then what you want to do is you want to IM them back and give them your phone number, or set up a time to actually meet with them if they're close by, but to give them more information, but separate from everyone else looking at your posts. The next thing you want to do is you want to set up a home party or a one-on-one or a Facebook Live. And that's the new thing now, Facebook Live. You don't even have to leave your home. And yeah, it'll take you a couple of times to feel comfortable with Facebook Live, but that is an easy way to actually get people involved in your business. So action, and then teach the people you enroll the same principles. So what I like to do right now is just go over some questions and answers to the product from your business venture. You're going to pick out one of the 2 or 3 that I actually indicate are the best of the best. And what's going to happen is when you actually get involved in that business, there are going to be some products there and a back office, and I'm going to go over those right now. So what is an initial order? Initial order is that you picked out the company that you want to go ahead and start as your own business venture. And when you do so, you're going to pay X amount of dollars, and you will get what we call an initial order. So if it's a product, like say health product, you're going to get a product sent to you. And you always want to be a product of the product in your business. Or if it's travel, you'll get business cards that allow you to give them out to people and for free, and they can try out your new business. So that's what initial order is. So how do I get more product if needed? In your back office, there is a place for product. You'll be able to click onto that, pick out the product you want, and it can be sent to you within only a couple of days. Back office. The back office is actually the hub of your business. The back office will show you where you are right now in rank, what it's going to take to advance. It will go over your commissions. It will go over basically every concept that is needed to have success in your business. So you don't have to calculate anything. Everything is there for you. Commissions, the way commissions work, it varies with different companies. Some companies will do it weekly, some will do bi-weekly, and then your team commissions will be once a month. People in your organization, any person that you sign up, because you won't be able to keep track of them or the people that they sign up. So what will happen is in your back office, that also will be in there. So you'll see every day how many people have come in, how many people are in your organization. And then product and product information, which is very important. You want to go over that and make sure that you know all the products. They say knowledge is power. So you definitely want to make sure that you do that. Okay, so let's talk about 9 steps to success. And I live by this. You know, one of your goals is to stay aggressive in your business and wake up every day and plan to talk to someone in your venture. But the next thing you want to do is you want to have a game plan, right? If you don't have a game plan, you won't have success. So let's talk about the first. Enroll. The first thing you're going to do, of course, is you're going to pick out one of the companies that we have researched for you. If you feel more comfortable in the health division of it, you go into health. If you feel that you'd like to do the travel aspect of it, you go into travel. So the first thing you do is you're going to enroll. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to purchase product. Now, there's 2 ways to purchase product. When you first enroll, you're going to get product. The second part of it is that what you want to do is you want to make sure everyone is on what they call auto ship, right? That sounds like a scary word, auto ship, all right? They're automatically going to ship it to me. At any time, you could stop that, but in order to keep your business going and collecting points and money, you have to be on what we call auto ship. And all that is so that you don't forget your order. They automatically do it for you. That's all that is. So you want to go ahead and set up your order sheet. The next thing you want to do is you want to be a product of the product. So you want to learn the educational part, which again is in your back office, but you also want to have a testimonial. The fourth thing you want to do is contact your sponsor for an orientation. This is so important, and I try to teach this to every person that gets involved with me because it is the hub of success. So what you want to do is say, I enroll you, you contact me, I go ahead and set up a time the next day to see you, and what we do is we go over everything in your back office, on your website. I show you how to talk to people on the phone, so with a script. So I make sure that you have enough knowledge to start your business, but at the same time, any questions that you need, you want to go to your sponsor to help you. Very, very important. Fifth thing you want to do is you want to build 3 lists and create a script for the phone. Again, your sponsor will help you with the script. To build the 3 lists, very simple. First list, friends, family, coworkers. Second list, people that you do business with. Third list, people that you network. Make sure you write all this down, 9 steps to success. Because in each instance, you're going to talk to them a different way. There'll be a different script for each person. For example, friends and family and coworkers. Those you can say, hey, I just got involved in the business. You know, I really like you to come and take a look at it. Not to sign up, but just to tell me that it's the right thing that I'm doing. Because, you know, I know that you're a smart guy or a smart woman, and you could tell me whether I'm doing the right thing. Okay. On the other side of that, which is people that you do business with, well, you know, you can go in there and, for example, in the travel industry, you'll have these free cards to give out, which saves them money. You would go and say, hey, you know, I never really thank you every time I come in here on how well you do my dry cleaning. What I'd like to do is give you something for free to try out. My way of saying thank you for making sure that my clothes come out right. So that's another way. And then networkers, you want to have, because they are networkers, you want to make sure that your sponsor actually does a 3-way call with you in order to pitch them on your new venture. Okay, so now let's go into number 6, have a home party. Make sure that your sponsor is actually your guest speaker, or maybe they might bring in someone that's even higher. That is what we call documented. That means they've been in the business, they've made a lot of money, and they know how to give a presentation. Until you learn how to give a presentation, and then you will become a leader, of course, and then do your own home parties for the people that you sign up. So have a home party. I tell everyone, don't go crazy with all kinds of food and everything else. Just maybe some cheese and crackers or something like that, and something to drink, and basically make it very simple, because again, you want to make sure that it is duplicatable. Number 7, brand yourself, okay? And not right away. You know, I tell everyone in a business, what you want to do is you want to make sure that your overhead is low and your profits are high. As you build in your business, yes, go ahead and brand yourself, because if you're not branded, people don't know what you do for a living. If you have a brand on your shirt, they're going to ask you, hey, what is that? And then now it gives you a reason to talk to them rather than you being the aggressor on the conversation about what you do. Next is follow up, follow up, follow up, follow up, follow up. Very, very important to follow up, because most people will not say yes right away. So you want to make sure that you follow up, okay? And the last thing I have is the art of duplication. And that's all this is, folks. It's just duplicating. Get someone that you've always wanted to do business with, get them to enroll with you, and then teach them everything you know, and have them duplicate exactly what you do and help them be by their side and help them duplicate. That's how easy this is. You know, if you want to be successful in life and business, you give more than you have. And, you know, that's really important to be successful. And leave more than you can take and offer praise to your downline. And that's what it is. So, you know, let's be real. What is the price for your dreams? Write down a positive way of price for your dreams, you know, and then turn it into an oath. And that's really important. You know, what might you have to sacrifice? Time, right? A little time, 5 to 10 hours a week, part-time, until you build a business where your business now is you're making more than you are making full-time. You know, is that not worth giving more to your family or loved ones or, you know, even yourself? Not just a good life, but a great life. So sacrifice a couple of months or years to change your life. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a business that you build. You know, your gift of greatness is to serve. And, you know, Miles used to say, every human has a seed of greatness buried in a gift needed by the world. So, you know, that serving is a gift or knowledge and wisdom in this industry. You see, I give you this gift because it could change your life like I have changed other people's life. I can't give you the heart. That has to come from within. But if I can show you to make an extra $500 extra a month, I know some people on this call, it would change their life. Yes, there are people that 1,000 or 5,000 or 10,000 really changes their life, especially for a single mom or dad, you know. But what I want to do is just give you some statistics about the American household. 500 extra per month has an impact on an American household or even could change a person's life. 1 out of 5 children in the United States lives in poverty or above poverty status. The average middle-class person has less than $5,000 in their savings account. Now, this is unbelievable. 50% of American people will live beyond the age of 80 and not be able to support themselves at the age of 70. And yes, in networking, people make thousands and hundreds of thousands a year. But there are more millionaires made in network marketing than any other industry. And the truth of the matter is, just start on a small vision and build off that to become successful in this industry. It is that simple. You know, as a leader, I can't choose who follows me. But as a follower, I can choose who leads me. And that is where you are now. So you need to be relentless, be excited, be powered for success, be real. So, folks, you know, keep your, my closing is always this: keep a smile on your face, love in your heart, keep your feet on the ground, and reach for the stars. And I will see you at the top. John Spitaliere, 1 in a Million. Our next Zoom seminar, February 18th, 2019 at 8 p.m. We will see you there.